Hey collectors, welcome back to a daily episodes of Y Team Hot Wheels. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunt has a Dodge Charger Hellcat. This will be the final wheels of the car. Our second new upcoming mainline car has a Mercedes-Benz 500e with the details of headlights, tail lights and with the 5-spoke chrome wheels. And the third car for our mainline is a Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. Our Tarmac Works presents. It's hard to get this car out of our heads with its widebody kit. Here's a custom chrome 3-piece wheels and the unmistakably 90s look. So, Tarmac Works has presented a Mercedes-Benz SL 500 Koenig Specials, coming soon in white and tan. It's a great fit for your 1:64 retro collection. Pre-order has been started. The estimated release month will be October 2025. A bright as a sunset and twice as exhilarating. The Koenigsegg Regera in orange metallic is guaranteed to make every street look like a runway. So pre-order has been started. The estimated release month will be October 2025. Pawn has got a new look just for Tarmac collectors with a special courier outfit. He is out to deliver a truckload of happiness to everyone. So let's join the journey together with Pawn's friend from the forest of OG. So pre-order this 1:64 Dodge van diecast model via authorized resellers, limited to only 2,544 pieces. The estimated release month will be June 2025. If there's is only one color to represent the Type R family, it will be this championship white, with Japan's national racing color being white. It shows Honda's racing heritage on this Honda Integra Type R DC2 Mugen, so pre-order has been started. The release month will be October 2025. Now let's check out a complete lineups of a new upcoming Mini GT models, which was showcased at the Malaysia Diecast Expo for 2025. So check out sneak peek of these cars. At the last, some are pre-production samples, the final version to be known. Now let's check out some new upcoming models by GCD and DCT models, showcased at a toy model car show for 2025. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. So collectors, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. And also, don't forget to hit the like button. See you next time.